Good afternoon.
Very good afternoon.
I'm Sanjeev from VC Media. VC Media is into coverage of conferences, events, exhibitions, and meetings. And we are a global organization, and we look forward to capturing the inputs from the people who have participated in the CPHI event. So, on behalf of VC Media, I would like to welcome you.
Thank
So
you.
here we have Reena Gokani from Ecubrek Research Labs Private Limited. She is the director of the company, and we would like to seek her reviews on her journey to this organization and what is something unique that she has found out in the CPHI event.
Myself, Dr. Reena Gokani. I'm the founder and the director and chief scientific officer for Ecubrek Research Lab Private Limited. We based in the Gujarat, Ahmedabad, and we have a presence in the USA also, and we have presence in the Canada also, and we are working with pharmaceuticals, medical devices manufacturers, clients throughout the globe. In 60 plus geographies we are working, and we are in the testings, regulatory testing service provider, and we do have all the accreditations top level. US FDA, NABL is there, OECD GLP is there, ALEC is there, and we are working and giving an end-to-end solution for any pharma and medical devices manufacturers. We do all type of the testings and we cater our clients, international clients as well as the national clients also. And we are working with more than 1,000 plus clients throughout the globe. And we have started this Ecubrek Research Lab with the motto to generate the employment and to provide services for the nation. So that's why we have started before 12 years with a very small facilities, that is of the 2,000 square foot facility, and only 2 employees we have started. Then day by ethical practice, we become somewhat larger and larger. Today we do have a 250 plus employees and 1,000 square feet facilities we do have. In that we do have around 84 to 100 labs in that with the different departments. We do have analyticals, we do have a microbiologicals, we do have a toxicologicals, animal house facilities. We do have a formulation and development. So like this CPHI, this is the platform where we can meet to our existing clients, we can meet new clients, we can see also what's the requirement of the market, what is the updation into the regulatory point of concern. So there's all things at a one platform we are getting in the CPHI. So this is a very nice arrangement, we can say, in the India. So and outside India also we are participating in the last month we have visited Italy, Milan also. There is a worldwide CPHI was there. So this CPHI is a very good platform and we are finding very good exposure. Our lab is getting very good exposures and we are getting day by day new inquiries also with this.
Yeah, that's good to know about it. That you are so positive about CPHI. Any growth plans that you have in your mind?
Yes, sir. Right now, we are having our growth plans. That is, we want to establish these Ecubrek Research Labs extended laboratory facility also in the other countries also. So right now, we do have a plan for the US as well as for the Canada market also.
Are you going to be establishing yourself in the villages, etc., where your support is going, or it will be only in the urban areas that you are currently targeting it?
Sir, this pharmaceutical companies are presence is in some big cities and the metros and internationally. So our work is not like end-to-end client is there. Our work is B2B work is there. So that's why manufacturers are there in the cities and big cities and internationally. So right now, not in the villages.
And on behalf of VC Media, I would like to thank you and your team for sparing your valuable time and giving us the foresight into what your organization is into. We wish you and your company all the very best.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.